So I'm going to quickly show you how to access this file and make a copy of it. The way Sarah set it up, and it should work, is if you click on this link, it should take you to, would you like to make a copy of my daily schedule? And then you would click make a copy. Now, some of the problems you might be experiencing are that you're not logged into Google Apps. So you need to make sure that you're logged into your LAFSD. The best thing to do is go to Chrome and then do it that way. So when you go to Chrome, you can go here and then do a sign in under settings, and then you would sign in to Chrome here, and you want to connect your account. It's going to ask you to link your data, and it's okay to do that with Chrome. And you're going to go ahead and put your login information, which is your lafsd.k12.ca.us address, along with your Google Apps password. If you need any help getting to your password, make sure you email me or call me at extension 3521 and I can help you. So if you're getting some other message here, it's because either one, it wasn't shared with you, and I checked the sharing settings and they are shared with the kindergarten team, or you're not signed in correctly. So make sure you sign in correctly, and your name should be up here with, it should say ldelapo at lafsd.k12.ca.us if that's, if that was your address. Obviously it's not, that's mine. Again, if you have any questions, call me at extension 3521 and I can help you.